4 things you aren't doing that are keeping you dissatisfied. Are you 100% satisfied with your life? Do you feel your life is fulfilling and full of meaning? Or are there things you gripe about and think you can't change? If you feel like you spend your life trying to be happy but never quite getting there, instead of shrugging your shoulders, why not decide to change right now? Here are 4 of the most common things people don't do that keep them stuck in dissatisfaction. 1. You don't know your purpose. Knowing your purpose is key to living a fulfilled and happy life. Once you know what you're good at, what energizes you and makes you want to get out of bed in the morning, you can genuinely live an authentic life. Choose not to stay stuck acting the victim. Choose not to be powerless. Choose not to stay unhappy. Take a good look at your values and what you're passionate about and go for it. 2. You don't act on your potential. Once you know what you want to do, you realize your potential and make it happen. Don't be discouraged if it's not as easy as you would like. There will be setbacks, disappointments, maybe even failure. But if you're committed to your purpose, be strong and keep pushing and learning and adapting. You'll never regret trying to become your best you. 3. You're not living in the present. Dissatisfaction looks around and sees what you didn't do and casts doubt on what you will do. Don't be that person. Real contentment finds happiness in the here and now. Don't get caught up in brooding over past mistakes or worrying about the future. You can't go back and fix the past, and it's up to you to do your best tomorrow. Look around and see what you have right now and enjoy it. 4. You're holding on to negativity. The person who has the most influence on your happiness is you. Sit back and think of how that mixtape in your head runs. What's your self-talk? Is it encouraging or blaming? If you have a barrage of negative messages in your head, it's hard to stay afloat, let alone have the energy to be your best you. Turn that negative self-talk around and become a cheerleader for yourself. If you tell yourself you'll succeed, you're much more likely to think you can, and then you will.